Are you looking for the best plunge routers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best plunge routers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Bosch 1617 EVSPK Plunge Router. The wood router by Bosch has a durable aluminum construction that has been paired with strong wooden handles for maximum longevity. The handles are rounded to give the user comfort and maximize control. This tool can help you with a wide range of woodworking tasks. You can use it when slot cutting, dovetail cutting, bit plunging, laminate trimming, and edge forming. As a result, most woodworkers consider this tool as a lifesaver when it comes to handling different projects. It has a built-in circuitry response system that ensures the machine is running at a constant speed at all times. Through this, you will get more accurate cuts that are equally clean. Furthermore, this router has a variable speed dial that allows you to customize the operation. The threaded holes at the base will enable you to mount the machine on a router table. The 2.25 HP motor operates at a speed of 8,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM, thus giving you enough power to cut through without breaking a sweat. This plunge router provides you with all the features that you may need when performing fixed depth routing. Moreover, the base has a microfine bit depth adjustment feature that allows you to make precise tune-ups when running this tool. As for visibility, the 2-inch sub-base openings will provide you with a clear view of the workpiece. As such, you will have even better control since you can see what you are doing. At number 4, Makita RT0701CX71-1/4 HP Compact Router Kit. This wood router combines precision, power, and versatility in one kit to give a dependable workhorse that can help you get almost everything done. The speed control system is designed in such a way that the motor can run efficiently even when under load. Besides, you can lower or increase the operation speed anywhere between 10,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM. The speed limit may vary depending on the task at hand, so it is ideally up to you as a craftsman to know the setting that will make your work look amazing. You will have an easy time making the depth adjustments with the help of the quick-release cam lock system. The easy-to-read scale enables you to make accurate changes that will help you get clean and consistent cuts. Also, this mechanism allows you to install or remove the base in an instant, thus saving you from time wastage. The flat-top design makes bit changing a breeze since you won't have to struggle with the lock mechanism. The casing is ergonomically designed to give the operator all the comfort that you may need. This machine has a slim design, so it is very easy to hold and control. This machine runs off a 1-1/4 HP motor, which delivers 6.5 amp for increased performance. The motor has a soft start feature that gives you smooth start-ups when the motor is powered. Additionally, the base has a non-marring design that protects the workpiece. At number 3, DEWALT DW618PK, Router Fixed, Plunge Base Kit. The DEWALT DW618PK has a sturdy design that makes it a powerful routing tool. It can cut through all types of wood, including the hard type. This machine has rubberized handles that offer comfort and also provide the user with a reliable grip. As a result, you will be able to run the machine repeatedly without blistering your hands. The seal covering on the switch prevents dust particles from being sucked into the system. This prevents the switch mechanism from malfunctioning due to excessive dust buildup. More to this, the machine has a spindle lock button that allows you to make single wrench bit changes. This router comes with 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch collets, which can assist you in handling different woodworking projects. You can carry out the depth adjustments without using additional tools because this machine has a tool-free adjustment feature that allows fast accessory changes. The bushings on this router are precision machined to offer strength and durability. The electronic speed feedback and the reduced startup torque will allow you to have full control when routing wood. You can adjust the plunge base in 5 different positions, while the turret stop will assist you in making multiple cuts on a workpiece. Additionally, the switch and the plunge release lever are conveniently placed at a thumb's reach position. This allows you to make the necessary changes in less than a minute. At number 2. Triton TRA0013-1/4 HP Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. This precision router from Triton is designed with outstanding features, making it an ideal machine for wood routing. It has side air vents that deliver a superior cooling effect to the system and also prevent debris from building up in the motor casings. This machine has a built-in router lift, which makes base operations less stressful. Moreover, it has a table height winder that allows you to make micro adjustments, thereby enabling you to get accurate results. The cover has a safety lockout feature, which protects the user from the cut zone and also facilitates dust extraction. This router uses a 3-1/4 HP motor, which turns the bits at high speeds, hence allowing the machine to cut through tough timbers. With the motor running at 8,000 RPM to 21,000 RPM, you will have the right amount of power to get different types of cuts on a workpiece. Also, the precision start feature allows the motor speed to ascend from a slightly lower speed before achieving maximum torque. This machine has a multi-function fence that gives the operator maximum control when performing circular cuts. Worn-out brushes can easily be changed with the help of the quick change feature. The patented rack allows you to set the machine at a convenient position that will allow you to get the perfect cuts. With this innovative design, you will be able to handle large and small projects. At number 1. Avid Power 6.5 amps 1.25 HP Compact Router with Fixed Base. The Avid Power Router has unique features such as the dual LED light mechanism, which provides you with maximum visibility when handling a workpiece. If you are the type of person who works extra time, you will find this feature beneficial for night projects. The motor is housed by a durable aluminum casing that is impact resistant. As a result, the machine will operate for a longer time without breaking down. This device can accommodate a wide range of bits such as the 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch collets. This machine is equipped with a 6.5 amp motor that delivers a maximum of 1.25 worth of horsepower. As such, the machine can handle both trimming and routing applications effectively without jamming. Also, users can choose the speed that suits the tasks that they are dealing with. The motor operates at a minimum top speed of 10,000 RPM to a maximum of 32,000 RPM. You can change the speed depending on the type of material that you are working with and the results that you expect. The rack and pinion design allows users to make adjustments that will deliver error-free cuts. Additionally, changing the position of the base is equally easy, thus allowing you to work faster. When you buy this product, you will get 5 router bits, roller guides, carbon brushes, and other essential accessories that will help you get a good routing outcome. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.